Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer, welcoming you to Easy Money Post Market Report. Today, it's a history created in Indian stock market. Yes, I repeat, it's a history. $3 trillion of market capitalization for the first time ever in Indian stock market. Forget the all-time highs we always keep talking, but today we touched this very big figure of $3 trillion of market capitalization, and this is our achievement. Let me also give you some history to see how fast we have gone on every $1 trillion. Indian markets touched its $1 trillion of market capitalization on 29th May 2007. But from 2007, $1 trillion to $2 trillion, we took close to 10 years. And it happened on 16th May 2017. But from $2 trillion to $3 trillion, which we touched today, we have taken only 4 years. So the history is written, and we touched $3 trillion of market capitalization, but we took only 4 years to move from 2 trillion to 3 trillion. Whereas to move from 1 trillion to 2 trillion, we really took 10 years of time. So now I'm asking you a question. Tell me, the next 1 trillion from 3 trillion to 4 trillion will happen in what time? Do we take 10 years? Do we take 4 years? Or do we do it much earlier? Now, I'm sure you will be wondering what is the practical significance and what is the learning for you people. Let me tell you, to earn your first 1 crore, you might take 40 years of your life. But to earn the second crore, you will not take another 40 years of your life from there. You will do it much faster. This is what we mean by power of compounding. Albert Einstein beautifully told, I don't know which are the seven wonders of world, but I know the eighth wonder of world, and that is compound interest. And let me tell you, I don't know which are the eight wonders of world, but I know the ninth wonder of world, and that is continuous compounding. And if you ask me which is the 10th wonder of world, it is Easy Money program what you are watching, which gives you the knowledge, complete practical, complete easy learning, and complete scientific market learning with logic to make only tons of money without any storytelling, jokes, and nonsense. And this is what every day you keep getting as learning. And imagine every day if you are adding so much of knowledge to your kitty here, see the amount of wealth what you will come out very soon. And I want to ask you a question today in this special Easy Money show. If Indian market has touched $3 trillion of market capitalization, can you guess what is US stock market's market capitalization as of today? And I'll be telling you the answer in tomorrow's session. But then I want each one of you to write in the comment box down. Everyone should participate and guess the number. What is US stock market's market capitalization as of today? Or approximately, you can put the numbers, but I'm saying Indian stock market has hit $3 trillion. Tell me what is US stock market's market capitalization, and tomorrow I'll tell you why we have to invest in Indian stock market, and do we still have long space to go ahead or not. Today Nifty closed very flat at 15,209 and Bank Nifty closed at 34,662, which was actually down 281 point. But if you see yesterday as well as today, Nifty is also flat, Bank Nifty is also flat, and it is definitely taking some time of breather before it makes the next move towards all-time high. FIIs today bought again to the extent of 960 crore, whereas DII sold to the extent of 564 crore. And let me tell you, morning when I recommended Ease My Trip, everyone were in ease. And the way stock moved and skyrocketed today, the returns made just in a day is far bigger than returns made by option sellers for a period of even 3 months. And that's the return what we saw in one day. Now people ask me, are you against option selling? No, I am for option selling. But the big question is, you should learn when to do option selling and when not to do option selling. For me, I don't mind being an option seller or an option buyer or a future buyer or an intraday trader or a swing trader or an investor. What matters is what is suiting you and what is suiting the current market environment is what you have to do. End of the day, overall making money is very very important. I'm sure all these big learnings to you in your Easy Money show is helping you a lot. And I want to tell you, lot of stocks are available even at today's price, available at great valuation, and you have to buy them at good price so that you have margin of safety. More discussion, more learning, I'll be coming out tomorrow. But then right now, go to comment section and guess what is US stock market's market capitalization and do write it. Tomorrow I will be giving you a comparison of Indian stock market with US stock market and how this is practically helpful for someone to have a longer term view, and what can we see in the next big move from $3 trillion to 4 trillion or even to $5 trillion. And I want each one of you, without fail, we are also getting the market updates in Twitter handle. All live market updates I'm giving in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy. Do follow in my Twitter handle. I am Rudramurthy, which I have mentioned in the description below, for getting live market updates. And do join hands with me to spread right financial literacy by forwarding this video to as many people as possible. Right now, hit the bell icon so that you get notification when we do these type of programs immediately. And do subscribe to your channel Rudralogy. Thank you for watching, and tomorrow don't miss the special episode. Take care. Good night.